It's the iPhone 5 box. All right, here we go. Let's move that. It's really light. Underneath we have power cable. This looks like it's the same as the previous ones. New lightning connector, USB cable. Brand new pair of Apple EarPods. So this envelope, we have useful information. Including a guide to the new phone. Compulsory Apple stickers with every product. And that's it. We're powering it on for the first time. And here we go. It's really, really light. That's really the first impression I can give, is that it's extremely light. It doesn't feel cheap like some of the plastic phones that are really light feel cheap, but it is really light. I'm surprised because it's only 20% lighter, but you can really feel it. I think the difference too is that now, because it's longer, the weight is distributed more evenly. And now the setup process will be starting, but it looks like I'm activated, so there we go. Brand new iPhone.